Good day, everyone. It's your girl Chomoji, aka Adandibu. I'm coming today with this news, and it's not very pleasant, but I just feel somehow about it. Our very own actor, Mr. John Okafor, we all know that he has been sick for a while, a lot of drama here and there. Now, to the main reason for this video, John Okafor has been amputated. He has one of his legs amputated due to his health. 7 surgeries have been undergone on him to keep him alive, according to his Instagram post stated. Look at the post. So according to this post, they have to amputate one of Mr. Ibu's legs. Okay, so let's continue. You know, a lot of saga have gone that the AGN did not come through for him. I know a lot of people reached out to him. I personally made a post. I put it on my X platform. Certain that evil people, since he's an evil man, to come and help him. Look at the post. Nde wono afambuchi omoji. Onwenye nchori wetirunu tata. It's highly concerning, and it's about a certain man that we all know, a certain evil man. His name is John Okafor, Nollywood actor John Okafor. Nollywood actor John Okafor is down. In fact, he currently celebrated his birthday in the hospital. He's down and is in a critical state. His leg is even about to be amputated right now. If you have not heard it, please repost this video, because there's going to be an account number on this screen, and please, anything you can offer, please don't wait for somebody to die. Don't wait for somebody to die before you render help. I'll put the account number on this screen. His account number, John Okafor. We all know Mr. Ibu. Mr. Ibu has made so many of us our childhood. He's still making people's childhood up till now. Now we know that there's been a lot of saga going on. Kate Henshaw, very dark guy. What they have to say about this whole thing. Look at what Kate Henshaw has to say.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Kate Henshaw. I am the Director of Communications for the Actors Guild of Nigeria. We are compelled to make this public statement in reaction to the vituperations of some netizens over the health of one of our respected and esteemed members, Mr. John Okafor, popularly known as Mr. Ibu. We are not here, however, to join issues with anybody, but we want to set the record straight over the public outcry that the Guild and his colleagues have abandoned him at his point of need. The Guild has never abandoned any of his...
Look at what very dark guy had to say. Very dark guy said.
You just saying they need good money to actually get that man on his feet. Right now, from the picture of the operation they did yesterday, it's called blood clots. I don't know what you medical people call it, but then again, the treatment is ongoing. I don't want to talk about the Nollywood people. Like I said, those people don't care about themselves. You understand? A lot of scores are going on. Like when they gave the man 5 million naira, and then the Nollywood people carried inside the 5 million naira, they carry like 4.3 and give the man 700,000. Do you understand? So these are the people that care. Let's say where they sick bed. When they say I will see the talk. Can you imagine these people? And if we talk, all of them start to make video, they know what they are doing. You know?
For the fact that it took this long, like I was saying in my video, look,
I've been in the hospital.
somebody does not have to die. See now everybody's timeline. Pray for Mr. Ibu. Even a big Igbo blog that did not post Mr. Ibu is coming to post Mr. Ibu. Say
and the best solution is, in case his new idea didn't work, the best idea is to cut off my legs. Just see me.